Dear kids, read the letter E. It makes sound eh. Elephant. Elephant starts from the sound eh. Say aloud more words that start from the sound eh. Eh is for egg. Eh is for eye. Eh is for engine. Trace and color. Let's trace the letter E, which sounds eh. Rhyme E. E is like I and turn it around. Trace all the letters properly. Wow! Time to color the elephant. Trace and write. Do you know, kids? E, which sounds eh, is a grass letter. Letters which exactly fit between two middle lines are grass letters. Now trace and write the letter E properly. Progress check. Match the beginning sound eh with the correct picture. One is done for you. Egg starts with the sound eh. I starts with the sound eh. Revision time! Match the beginning sound with the picture. One is done for you. Cat starts with the sound k. Right! Let's play a matching game. Orange starts with the sound O. Apple starts with the sound E. Elephant starts with the sound eh. Color red. Color the pictures red, like apple, strawberry, tomato, and carrot. Concept. Read opposite words. On and off. This bulb is on. This bulb is off. Action word. Color the picture and read action word clapping. Do you know, kids? Clapping is an action word.